It wasn't supposed to rain. This is Beef Outdoors, and I'm just lucky I have my Northern suit with because it wasn't supposed to rain. We're gonna go get after him. Got up North Bassin with me.
Not late this time.
Not late this time, that's right. He's here on time. Let's get it. Got one. I think it's a bluegill, or it's a really itty bitty smallie. It's doing that kind of sideways bluegill run, but it's kind of doing some smallie stuff. I need a net. I need a net. I need a net. That might be 12. Barely hooked. Yep, it's 12. Doesn't seem like it should be, but it is. That's one down.
Oh, there we go. Got one.
Got more. How's it feel?
It's all right.
That might get 8. It's on the board and see.
Yep. Where is the board?
Might get 8. Board should be right on the chair here.
Oh, there it is. No, not even 7.
Oh, bummer. What do I got? Another Rocky that's probably not going to measure. Little Euro tackle drop shot action though. No, just get 7.
There we go. Ooh, this is a good one.
Oh, look at another about 12, 13 inch smallie.
Ooh. Where are ya? There we go.
Hopefully, that looks bigger than
Oh,
that.
yeah.
That should get it. Double check it though.
Come on.
Oh yeah, I don't have any worries about that now.
Nope. Caught up on stuff.
Yeah, good stuff. You're hooked onto the bag.
Yeah. Got it?
Yep. I think probably another smallie. Ooh, good rock bass. I need that. I need that. Nope. No doubter. No doubter. Holy smokes.
Holy.
We might be going bonus. We might be going bonus.
That is a nice one.
Yeah, that is.
Drop shot Euro tackle.
Yep. But I don't think he was coming off. That's
Oh, I got one.
okay.
Don't know what it is yet, but I got some. Ooh,
Okay, there's another one.
there is another good rock.
Check
Yeah.
that one. That one looks close.
8?
Oh yeah, that's good.
Oh yeah.
It's a 2 rock bass cycle. Doubled up. Okay, I think we're done with rock bass.
Yeah. We are crushing the rock bass right now.
Okay, so now, yep, that's an 8.
Yep.
Okay. Okay, so now we need to find crappies. Don't think he's making 12.
No. I'm gonna move your bobber down here.
Yep, you can use the bobber if you want to. I also have a bobber with some feather on it.
Oh,
We might want to go for that for the crappies. They might like that. It's in one of the blue rod socks. Come on. Another Rocky.
I didn't know. You're feisty. And we've got crappie on that before. Lovely. Thank you very much.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
I would go with something. Well, what color haven't we thrown yet?
I haven't thrown green pumpkin. All 3 of those colors.
Do you have a Z cranker hook rigged up by any chance?
I do not, but I can have one.
Why don't you throw that next?
Yeah. I'll rig that up next.
I'm just trying to kind of do that after this cast, I think. Because I think the bottom.
I got something.
Do you?
Yep. Don't know what.
It's gonna be a crappie. I'll put a flat one though. It's a big rock there. Leave that in here. Okay, see if that gets. Just throw it in. We'll figure it out at the end.
Yes, sir. Got something.
Boom. See a crappie. See a crappie.
What are you? Oh, it's a pike. I don't want to lose it because that's my only one. Well, we'll take pike too, but not those.
Yeah.
Not this size.
Yep. call me the net. Ooh, you're... That's gonna get close to 12.
Yeah.
Oh my God. Well, Chad and I ran into some boat problems. I blew a cooling hose on, so we had to put it on the trailer like maybe halfway through the night. So we only got in about half of what we needed to. So didn't finish very great because of that, but that's part of owning a boat. Just got to get that fixed before I can get out next time. Go Karski, Beef Outdoors, Pat Line, everyone.